Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 not assigning a drive letter to connected USB drive or external HDD. First method is right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Assign new drive letter. Second method is type services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Virtual Disk Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type Disk Part. Type Auto Mount. Type Auto Mount Enable. Type Auto Mount Scrub. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.